Hello friends, how are you? Myself, Dr. Ankit J. Shah, Assistant Professor at Sri P.M. Patel Institute of Postgraduate Studies and Research in Science, Anand, which is affiliated to Sardar Patel University, Vallabh Vidyanagar, and managed by Anand People's Medical Society, Anand. Today, I am making this video for the course MSc and semester 1. Today, in this session, I will take the subject physical chemistry and subject code with Sardar Patel University is PS01 CCHE23. And in this session, I would like to take unit number 2, that is chemical kinetics. And keywords of this session are rate constant, differential rate law, integrated rate law. So students, how was your third semester exam? Must be good. So students, I am preparing this special video for your semester 1 NC exam because it will be in next few days and it will be of pattern multiple choice questions online exam. So I will want to give you some guidance about that multiple choice questions. So I have prepared this special video for you of multiple choice question and how to solve these questions. So if you have seen my previous 2 videos in which I have covered MCQs of unit number 1, now from this video I will try to cover some multiple choice questions of unit number 2 which will benefit you in the upcoming exam. And I would like to request you all, if you are not subscribed this YouTube channel until now, subscribe it, because in this educational channel you will get to see all the videos of myself and all my colleagues of different subjects, so that will helpful to you. So now, without wasting any time, I would like to start this session of multiple choice question. Students, in my previous video I have covered some 15-20 multiple choice questions. So I'll start this video with the next multiple choice question. So let's start. So question number 17. The value of intercept of a graph of ln k versus 1 upon t is, options are ln k, second option minus ea upon r, third option ln a, and fourth option is log a. So students, again it's the Arrhenius equation, so you must know what is the Arrhenius equation. So I'm writing over here, Arrhenius equation is ln k is equal to ln a minus ea upon rt. So if you compare this equation with linear equation line, that is y is equal to mx plus c, then you must know the intercept of this equation is ln a. So remember this, if the question is graph of log k versus 1 upon t, the answer is log a. But here the question is ln k, so answer must be ln a. So the correct answer is option number C, ln a. Next multiple choice question, that is for the reaction that is A plus B gives products, and the rate is given by K, concentration of A into concentration of B, and if concentration of A and B are taken 1 molar, then K is called we know that always in the differential rate law, K is known as rate constant. K is known as rate constant. Our four options are specific rate constant, rate of reaction, rate constant, and rate law. But we all know that whenever differential rate law is given, then in the differential rate law, K is always rate constant. So the correct answer is option number C, that is rate constant. Next question, that is question number 19, that is which formula is true for average rate of reaction for say R converts into P, where R is reactant and P is product. So the options are A, dR by dt, B, minus dP by dt, C, minus delta R by delta T, and D, plus delta P by delta T. So we all know that, students, to find average rate, obviously average rate can be written in the form of reactants. So two options are neglected, that is B and D. So in options A and C, always we know that whenever reactants are written, we must write negative sign before the reactants. So the correct option is option number C, that is minus delta R upon delta T. Next question, that is question number 20. For most of the reactions with increase in temperature, blank, the options are rate constant decreases, rate constant remains constant, C, rate constant increases, and option number 4 cannot be answered about the rate constant. So students, we have discussed the theory, that is effect of temperature, and we all know that when there is an increase in temperature, the rate of reaction increases. When temperature increases, rate of reaction increases, means reaction will complete speedily. But we cannot judge whether rate constant increases or decreases. So that correct option will be option number D, cannot be answered about the rate constant. Question number 21, that is for the chemical reaction, say A converts into B, it is found that the rate of reaction doubles when the concentration of A is increased by 4 times. So the order of reaction is, the options are 2, 1, 0 and half. So here students, chemical reaction is given to us. So here we can write first differential rate law. So that is, we can say that minus dA by dt, but simply we can say that it is minus R is equal to K into concentration of A. That is our differential rate law. Now here we have given, if concentration of A is increased by 4 times, the answer comes out to be 2. So it is here 4. So what the power of 4 gives you answer 2? So it must be 1/2, because square root of 4 is 2. So the correct answer of this question is option number D, that is half, because we know that concentration A is increased by 4 times, then square root of 4 must be equals to 2. So the answer is half. Question number 22, temperature dependence of rate constant is given by, 4 options are K is equal to minus A into e raised to minus E upon RT. Option number B, K is equal to e raised to minus E upon RT. Option number C, K is equal to A into e raised to minus E upon RT. Option number D, K is equal to A into e raised to E upon RT. So students, temperature dependence means we know that as temperature increases, rate of reaction increases, because in Arrhenius equation temperature is in exponential power. So it's, of course, it is a Arrhenius equation. So correct form of Arrhenius equation is given by option number C. So the correct option is option number C, that is K is equal to A into e raised to minus EA upon RT. That is our right answer. Question number 23, that is a reaction is of first order with respect to A and is of second order with respect to B. Now by doubling the concentration of A and B, the rate of reaction becomes. So students, here I am writing this A raised to 1 and B raised to 2. If concentration of both A and B increases, then becomes double. So we know that A becomes 1, so it becomes 2, and B, that is square of 2, that is 4. So 2 multiplied by 4, always answer comes out to be 8. So our answer is 8. So correct option of this question is option A. The answer is 8. Question number 24, that is blank is not characteristic of first order reaction. The options are given to us, that is plot of LNC versus time is a straight line. B, the intercept of the line is LNC0. C, the slope of the line is minus K. And D, LNC increases linearly as reaction proceeds. So students, if we know the first order reaction, the graph is always concentration versus time and it will be a straight line. So option A is correct one. Option number B, it's when we compare to linear equation of line, its intercept is LNC0. So option number B is correct. Its slope is minus K. So option number C is correct. So the correct answer of this question, that is not the characteristic of first order reaction, that is option number D, that is LNC increases linearly at reaction proceed. Next question, that is question number 25. For the reaction twice NO2 plus F2 gives 2 NO2F. Now the differential rate law for this reaction, options are given, that is rate is equal to K NO2 raised to square into concentration of F2. B, rate is equal to K concentration of NO2 into concentration of F2. C, rate is equal to K concentration of NO2 raised to square into concentration of F. And option D, rate is equal to concentration of NO2F into concentration of F2. So here, whenever you are to write differential rate law, always remember the moles you should not write on the power. So here correct option of this question is option number B, that is rate is equal to K concentration of NO2 into concentration of F2. Okay, so here stoichiometry, NO2, 2 moles of NO2, that is just to balance the chemical reaction. It has nothing to do with the power, because overall order of reaction of this reaction is 2, that is 1 plus 1. Next multiple choice question, that is question number 26. Concentration of reactants and products on attaining equilibrium state gives you, options are 0, constant, equal, and option number D, that is uniform. We all know that whenever in any chemical reaction, whenever it is in equilibrium, the concentration of reactant and concentration of product both are equal, and it becomes steady state. That is, we know that in steady state Ri is always equal to Rt. So the correct option is both becomes equal. Concentration of reactant and concentration of product both becomes equal. Question number 27, that is which information is obtained on the basis of chemical kinetics? Options are no reaction will take place, rate of reaction, concentration of reactant, or concentration of product. So we know that what is chemical kinetics? Simply in a simple language you can say that chemical kinetics is change in concentration with time. So that will give you rate of reaction, change in concentration of time, that is dr by dt. So it is always known as rate of reaction. So correct option is option number B, that is rate of reaction. Next question, that is question number 28. Rate of chemical reaction indicates the change in concentration of a reactant or a product per, options are unit pressure, unit time, unit temperature, or none of the above. So we always know that whenever you are writing rate, obviously there is negative sign on reactant side, there is positive side on product side, but we are writing it as dr by dt and dp by dt. So it is obvious that it is concentration reactant or product per unit time. So the correct option is option number B, unit time. Next MCQ, that is, which of the following is a unit of rate constant of the third order reaction? So students, here that is from our first topic of this unit. I have given you the formula to find the unit of rate constant, that is second inverse into mole per liter raised to 1 minus n. So here substitute the value of n, that is 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So mole per liter raised to minus 2. So we can say that it is mole per liter, it is minus 2. So if you have to make power positive, reverse it. So it is liter per mole raised to square into second inverse. So the correct option is, that is, liter square into mole raised to minus 2 into second inverse. So correct option is option number D. Next question, that is question number 30. It is just like the previous question. The rate constant of 0th order reaction has the unit. The options are minute inverse, mole, liter inverse, minute inverse. Option number C, liter, mole inverse, minute inverse, or none of the above. So here the common unit is second inverse, mole per liter raised to 1 minus n. Here it is zero order reaction. So 1 minus 0, that is 1. So correct answer is second inverse into mole per liter. But here instead of second, the unit is given minute. So the correct answer is option number B, that is mole per liter into minute inverse. Multiple choice question number 31, that is chemical kinetics, gives you information about, four options are about rate of reaction and quantity of products, B, about rate of reaction and equilibrium constant, C, about rate of reaction and time of product formed, and option D, about rate of reaction. So obviously chemical kinetics give you two things, that is rate of reaction and equilibrium constant, that is K. So the correct option is option number B. Chemical kinetics gives information about rate of reaction and equilibrium constant. The last multiple choice question of this session. For a first order reaction, slope of plot log R versus T, that is equal to, the options are given over here, that is A, minus K upon 2.303, option B, K upon 2.303, option C, log R, and option D, minus K. So students, for that you must know the reaction. I am writing that reaction, that is log R is equal to minus K upon 2.303T minus K upon 2.303T plus ln R0. So if you compare this reaction with linear equation of line, obviously the slope is minus K upon 2.303, that is the value of M. So the correct option of this question is option number A, that is minus K upon 2.303. So students, hope you have learned how to solve this multiple choice question. So that's it in this video. Learn these formulas or method how to crack or solve this multiple choice question, because we don't know whether our university exam will be online or offline, whether we are giving the full 70-mark exam of long question, short question, or we are giving the exam of this multiple choice question. So especially for you students, I've prepared this video, and again do watch my next video that is again for multiple choice question. I have separated some important multiple choice question for you, so do watch my next video that is about basics of that chemical kinetics unit and again of multiple choice questions. Thank you.